We can also prolong memory storage through memory rehearsal. There are two main forms of memory rehearsal: maintenance rehearsal and elaborative rehearsal. Maintenance rehearsal is simple repetition. It involves repeating information over and over to keep it in short-term memory. For example, if you keep repeating a phone number until you can write it down, you are using maintenance rehearsal. While this technique helps in the short term, it is not the most effective way to move information into long-term memory. Elaborative rehearsal is a deeper form of rehearsal that connects new information to things you already know. It involves creating meaning, which strengthens memory storage. For example, instead of just memorizing vocabulary words, you could make connections by using them in sentences, associating them with personal experiences, or linking them to images. If you're an AP Psychology student, make sure you grab my free AP Psychology course checklist to test your knowledge of the whole course. There's a link below to get it. It's completely free and a must-have for all my students. I'll also throw in my full AP Psychology glossary and vocabulary bank, and my guide to the 5 hardest AP Psych questions that students get wrong in their exam. This video has been a snippet from my complete 4-hour AP Psych study guide video that covers the curriculum in one mega video. You can click that video on the screen now to watch it.